Stop using normal wallpapers on your iPhone. Look at this live wallpaper setup. Clean, smooth, and premium. Today I'll show you exactly how to create this kind of animated wallpaper for your own iPhone, step by step. Let's get started. Before we start this cool trick, let me quickly show you my phone. This is my iPhone 12 Pro running iOS 26. Now, before applying these live wallpapers, we need to temporarily disable two iPhone settings. First, go to Face ID and Passcode and turn off stolen device protection. Then go to your Apple ID profile, open Find My, and turn off Find My iPhone. Don't worry, after we finish applying the wallpapers, you can enable both settings again. These are important security features, so make sure you turn them back on once the setup is complete. For this method, we need a computer. But don't worry, if you don't have a computer, comment below and I'll try to make another guide for you. Now we need a small app called Nugget. I've added the download link in the description so you can download it easily. The good thing is, you don't need to install this app on your computer. Just download it, open it, and use it directly. For this video, I'm using Nugget version 7.0.3, so I recommend using the same version to follow the steps properly. Once Nugget is ready, we can move to the next step. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer using a cable. Make sure the cable is working properly, and if your iPhone asks to trust this computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Once your iPhone is connected and Nugget detects the device, now inside Nugget, click on Poster Board and then select Discover Wallpapers. After that, it will take you to a website where you can find and download cool animated wallpapers for your iPhone. Here, you can choose any live wallpaper you like. Just browse the collection, pick your favorite style, and download it to use on your iPhone. These wallpapers are free, so you don't need to pay anything. You can download any wallpaper you like, or even download all of them. But when installing them to your iPhone, I recommend adding only 1 or 2 wallpapers at a time. This will make the process smoother and help avoid any errors. Now go back to Nugget and click Import. Then select the wallpaper file you just downloaded. After importing the file, Nugget will upload it and show it inside the app. Once the wallpaper is ready, click Apply to install it on your iPhone. Wait until the process is complete and don't disconnect your iPhone during this step. After you apply the wallpaper, your iPhone may restart automatically, so don't panic. This is completely normal. Sometimes it can take a couple of minutes to turn back on, so just wait patiently. If your iPhone doesn't turn on automatically, you can turn it on manually by pressing the power button. After your iPhone powers on again, you don't need to keep it connected to the computer anymore. You can safely unplug the cable. If you downloaded multiple wallpapers, you can install them together. For this method, you can apply up to 3 wallpapers at once. So select the wallpapers you want, apply them, and wait until the process is complete. Now this is the cool part of the video. Let's apply our new animated wallpapers to the iPhone. It's very easy. First, go to your lock screen and press and hold on the screen. Then tap Add New Wallpaper. Now scroll through the wallpaper options and find the wallpapers we just installed. They should appear there, usually inside a different folder or collection section. Select the wallpaper you like, customize it if you want, and apply it to your lock screen. That's it. Now your iPhone has a cool live wallpaper look. These wallpapers are not only for the lock screen, they also support the home screen too. So after selecting your wallpaper, you can apply it to the lock screen, the home screen, or both. Choose the setup you like, customize it with your widgets and clock style, and make your iPhone look more unique. These are the wallpapers I installed using this method, and honestly, they look really cool. You can also try this setup with transparent widgets on your home screen to make it look even cleaner and more premium. I've already added the link in the description for my transparent widget tutorial, so you can follow that guide and customize your iPhone even more. Try this method on your iPhone and let me know in the comments how your setup looks. So that's it for today's video. This is how you can customize your iPhone lock screen and home screen with cool live wallpapers. I'll bring more iPhone customization tutorials soon, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your